Hey people, so we are at this place called Brown Bear, which is on Mallampet Road, and they have this amazing offer in place with for just 200 bucks. Yeah, for just 200 bucks, you can get a free cake, which is delectable really. And this offer is valid only for the first 500 customers. But it is something that I would highly recommend, because this is at Mallampet, which is near Bachupally, and that's it. It's for the first 500 customers, and the store is opening just today. So today being May 3rd, so I would highly recommend this, people, because sometimes certain places and certain things are really worth visiting. So rasmalai pastry. So I'm waiting to taste all of this because this looks so good. So I'm so glad I came here. It's a cute little outlet, and this is at Mallampet in near Bachupally, Hyderabad.